7 years ago, I felt like breaking down every day because I had to go back into the hospital and face more impossible scenarios and unachievable goals. Today, I'm planning my 2-week private tour of Italy. And let me show you what real success feels like and how you can achieve it as well. Success is many things, and it's not just about money. It's about lifestyle. And that's something that really we focus on in Catalyst to help you design the lifestyle that's success for you. And here are a few things that I use to define success for me. Number one, the freedom of owning my own time. Waking up when I want. Spending my mornings on the back patio with a cup of coffee. Being able to play 18 holes on a random day, like a random Tuesday, or never having to miss one of my kids' events. Vacations that aren't scheduled around hospital staffing or when it's convenient for somebody else's schedule. Number two, financial liberation. Yeah, money does matter, and that surreal moment when you realize that you just made in one day what you used to make in a month. Paying cash for your dream car or that dream vacation, and no more nurse budgeting limitations or figuring out how many overtime shifts it's going to take to make some sort of substantial purchase. It's also watching your investments grow instead of living paycheck to paycheck. Number three is the confidence of actual mastery. See, attorneys proactively reaching out, showing me that they want me to take their cases, giving me the respect and admiration that I actually deserve. Getting texts like, "You're the only LNC I trust on this $2 million case." Over time, you actually end up not having that imposter syndrome that we all deal with in the beginning. Instead, you replace that with this quiet certainty and your expertise and your proven success. Number four thing that defines success for me is legacy building. Your kids seeing you as a business owner and not just mom or dad who's always at work. Instead, I hire other nurses as subs, and I'm able to help change their lives as well as my own. Donating to causes that I care about and not just wishing I could. Number five is a physical transformation. I see my blood pressure normalized without meds, and I'm actually using my gym membership, sleeping through the night for honestly the first time in a long time. Number six is some unexpected perks, like attorneys sending me gifts or offering to take me or you, when you're there, out for dinner instead of you begging to take them out. You're going to see that journalists start asking for your opinion on articles. You start realizing that you haven't checked your PTO balance in years because now it's unlimited. And the truth is, this is not a fantasy. There are hundreds of nurses changing their futures and living their dreams right now in our Catalyst community. See, at Catalyst, we give you the foundation you need to build your success on. We give you practice cases and case templates that are going to make you irreplaceable to your attorney clients. And we give you mentorship, not just from me, but from nurses who have already succeeded in the legal nursing field. And we're all there to guide you every step of the way as you shift from bedside to business owner. Your future self is begging you to click below for our free introductory training and to schedule a call with our team. The question is, are you going to listen?